morning and good afternoon, my ocean explorer friends. Are you ready for our week 2 craft? We've been talking all about ocean travel this week, and the handiest way to get around on the water is on a boat, of course. So the fun craft that you are gonna make this week is this cute little sponge boat. So inside your bag of goodies, you will find a sponge. We have a variety of colors out there, so surprise, you might get blue, green, yellow, or red. And you will also get a craft, AKA popsicle stick. So what you're going to do, this is a quite simple one. You will also need some duct tape of your own from home. That's really a kind of a hard thing for us to hand out to you, but if your house is anything like mine, you probably got a couple rolls of it laying around. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna take our sponge and just cut off 2 little triangles right in the front so we have it angled, just like that. After you do that, you are going to take your scissors and cut just a small little hole right there in your sponge so that you can put your craft stick down inside of it. So, boop, it'll go in just like that. And then for the mast, what I did is I just took my white duct tape and I made it the same width as my sponge, and I put the sticky sides together. So I had 2 different pieces of duct tape and I put them together so that the sticky part was on the inside. And then I took some fun rainbow zigzag duct tape and made a strip right down the middle. Now you can decorate yours however you would like. After you do that, you're just gonna cut a couple holes right there in your mast and just slide it right down on top of that popsicle stick. I did add a little bit of tape at the top and bottom just to kind of hold it in place. It's absolutely not necessary, but you can do that. And you know what? We tested it, it's seaworthy. So I hope your cute little boat takes you on some wonderful adventures, and we will see you next week right here at the Maitland Public Library. Bye.